Hey, we're going to get shit done today, because it's nice as fuck. Oh! Okay, me and Brandon have been fucking around with my tie rods for, I don't know, an hour. Got this side on, Brandon's about to torque it. So you can check that out right there. And then anyway, we're gonna start throwing my brake booster in and then throw some calipers on, run all the lines, and do all that. So I'll start showing you guys that. We're throwing the brake booster in right now. Should take about 15 to 20 seconds. Oh my god, dude, that was a horse taking the fattest riff I've ever heard. Alright guys, so I got my badass Chase Base brake lines, and I got one little guy in right now. Looks pretty fucking sick. Now I just gotta figure out where these two go. Put those in. Probably tighten all the shit up later after me and Brandon go get some food, maybe Slims. Damn, dude. Alright, got one side done. Looks hella fresh. Hella fresh. Rotors almost match calipers, which is sick. So can't do the other side because the hub's all fucked up. So I'm just gonna work on the brake booster and all these lines. All right, so I got the engine harness in. Still got to relume it at some point. And these brake lines are on. The heat shield's on the brake booster. Brake booster's in and tight. And yeah, shit's starting to come together. So hopefully I can get this motor in pretty soon. Got her all through. Looks sick, and now I got a nightmare to deal with.
Jack here right now. What's going on? Here's my car. I wanted to give a little update. Got the brake booster delete in there. All the lines ran. Tucked pretty nice with the subframe. So yeah, just wanted to put that in there. Pretty sick. See ya.
Okay, so it's starting to get pretty cold out, and sorry I didn't film too much, but anyway, brake lines are in. Going to wait to tighten them over here until they're ran, and then I'll tuck them up under here. Got the bolt that had snapped out of the steering column. Engine harness is in. Need to put the same loom on it that I have on the chassis harness. We got sway bar tightened now. Brake lines are just resting there. Tie rods are in now, and everything's pretty much getting ready to go for the motor. So that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. So thanks for watching. And I don't know if I'm gonna throw anything else in, but ka-chow.